I am making 2 kilo chicken palaou and 2 kilos of Aloo shorba, 15% approximately. Welcome to my channel. Chicken biryani masala, 1 packet. Chicken masala, 1 packet. Few dry garam masala. 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. 1 big spoon of red chili powder. Half spoon of turmeric powder. 4 spoons of salt. 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Liquid yogurt ½ cup. Mix well. Mix well and keep aside for ½ hour. Aloo murgi shorba. Onion fry brown color, then add chicken fry till color changes. Chicken masala 1 packet. Red chili powder 1 spoon. Coriander powder. Turmeric powder. Garam masala and dry masala. 4 tomatoes grind. Mix well and other pot add chicken mix well. 2 Maggi cubes. Salt. Tomatoes and green chilies. Add water. Boiled for 15 minutes. Add potatoes cubes with water. Chicken is 45% ready. Potatoes is ready, almost ready. Now add 2 handfuls of kasuri methi. 8 cups of rice, wash well and soak for 2 hours. Add it, give 1 boiled and cover the lid and steamer for 45 minutes. Aloo chicken shorba is ready. I hope you friends love it. Like, comment, share. Super delicious. Thanks for watching.